Alright, I'm gonna make some nice cheesy protein pasta. I'm gonna start off with this nice little pan over here, a nice little pot. Perfect, it's a little over halfway. Awesome, just put that thing on the stove. Just go ahead and put all the pasta in there. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so after about 10 minutes of boiling this over here, you're going to want to drain the rest of the water and get yourself a bigger pot so we can actually make the mac and cheese sauce. Time to drain. Perfect. Alright, 325. There we go. Awesome. And after you got your milk, just go ahead and put it in your nice big pan. Now we're going to put this on high, and we're going to let this come to an almost boil. Make sure it's nice and hot before you add the rest of your ingredients. So I'll be back. Alright, I added 170 grams of cream cheese, so now that's good. You're going to want to start to put that over here. Just make sure to mix it up. Use a whisk, but I don't own a whisk, so I'm using the next best thing, a metal spoon. Don't forget the broccoli. You're gonna have broccoli right here. This is gonna be frozen, nice and good. I'm gonna put 200 grams of this in this container. Alright, so as soon as that's all mixed up, I'm gonna add this entire bag of cheddar cheese. It's gonna be low fat, and it's gonna be 228 grams of it. Yeah, just gonna put that all in there. Let's go. Oh yeah, one more thing. Gonna want to add the broccoli at this point, because why not? And then just finally just mix that whole thing up until everything's melted, and then put your pasta in there, and you're good to go. Oh my, it's getting so creamy right now. Alright, so that looks about good enough, so now I'm gonna go grab this entire bowl of pasta. Just dump that whole thing right in there. There you have your protein mac and cheese pasta with broccoli. Alright, let's be honest, that's not enough broccoli, so I'm just gonna add 200 more grams of frozen broccoli right in there. Now that's probably gonna make it much better. Make it a little more colorful too. Grab whatever spices you want. I'm just gonna go in my spice cabinet. A little bit of chili powder. Right there. Chili powder. A little bit of some cayenne pepper. That's like good enough. Might as well go for some onion powder. Alright, how do you open this? And last but not least, garlic powder. What I added, some cayenne pepper, some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder. All you need. Now that's good. There we go.